Welcome to our Getting Started with GeoTab series. The Maintenance Center offers many tools to track vehicle health, but in this video, we'll focus specifically on work order management, your go-to system for scheduling, tracking, and completing fleet maintenance tasks. Let's dive in. We'll begin by going to the Maintenance section in the left side console, selecting the Maintenance Center subtab, and selecting Work Order Management. At the top, you will see three tabs. The work requests are where the services are initially requested. The orders tab contains the entries that schedule and manage the services needed, and the jobs tab tracks specific tasks performed for each service. Let's begin with work requests. As you can see, we have three work requests active. Each entry will provide the asset that needs the service, the maintenance type, category for the maintenance type, the severity of the work request, the date the request was triggered, and the status, which will show you when the request is due or how long it's been overdue. Over on the right side, you can add or subtract columns based on your preference. At the top, you can print a report summary of your work requests, create and view your scheduled reminders, and create a new work request. As an example, I have a vehicle with a brake warning light that just turned on, and I want to get it serviced. I will create the work request here. I will enter the asset, and under defect, I will select brake light maintenance category. Finally, I will set the severity and select Add. Now the work request has been added to the main list. Work orders manage the services tied to work requests. You can create a manual work order by going to Orders and selecting the Add Work Order button at the top, or you can go to the Requests page and add a work order to an existing request by using the three dots to the right of the request you'd like to assign. As a quick note, if you click on See More, you can see the request details and snooze the request if needed. For now, we can create a work order for the brake light warning on our vehicle, since the service has been scheduled. The first section of the work order will contain the unique ID for the order, the due date, the status, which we can switch to Completed to close the loop on the request once the work is done. The reason for the repair will be Preventative Maintenance, and Scheduled for the repair class. You will also see the asset information, the specific job being performed per the work request, and the total cost, which will only populate if the job has those details. We can add any notes or attachments at the bottom, and then select Save at the top. The work request has now turned into a work order and moved to the Orders tab. The Jobs tab allows you to keep track of all services as they occur and gives advanced detail on what occurred during the service. These require a bulk upload, and you can find the template Bulk Import Maintenance button at the top of the page. Regular maintenance is the key to a reliable, efficient fleet. By using GeoTab's reminders, engine fault tracking, and reports, you can stay ahead of repairs, reduce downtime, and cut costs. If you found this video helpful, feel free to explore others in our Getting Started with GeoTab series at gotrackcam.com/resources. Thank you for choosing TrackCam.